Hello, this is Bosith and World, and today I decided to do a different video today. Actually, I'm going to do something related to science. Uh, it's about carrying out a test to check whether the presence of starch in some sort of food items. Uh, so let's get in. Uh, and we have to do I using some different things, and you are going to see that. First we are going to get wheat flour and also raw rice flour. uh, Also we are going to I'm going to put to take to rice, a bit of rice and some vegetables. I only used a piece of carrot and beans because I had that, and also water. Also, we need that, and iodine it's the key ingredient for this test. Uh, and more, we have to take some cutting edge for that, only for that, only to cut the vegetables, and we need the portion plate as well to see the color. Look at that. When you put iodine drop, it's we can check the color. In fact, this iodine is not the actual iodine, but this sort of iodine, that type of iodine put into the wounds, that powdering iodine, right? Okay, and I'm going to begin with the wheat flour solution to carry out this test. And let's I have added some water into the flour to make a solution, and uh, and what and some droplets of drops of iodine. So you can see that this solution turned to a blackish purple color by the with the addition of iodine. Yeah, look, right. So you can see uh, that mean we can conclude that uh, this solution contains starch. All right. Okay, then let's get into the carry out the test for raw rice flour solution. Add some water, uh, mix it, and mix. We got a nice solution of raw rice flour, and add some iodine drops too for this too. And after mixing, you can see that also turned to the blackish blue, right? You can't see from the edges. You can see that bluey color, even though you can see the whole thing is black. Then let's go with rice. Actually, I used the rice water uh, for the easiness for understand. Added. Here's also saying purplish blue color appears when iodine is added, right? You can see it clearly with blackish blue color. Uh, Now with the vegetables, uh, cut the beans and put some drops of iodine. There's no color change. That means there might not be some starch based things. I think they might have some carbohydrates, but we can't say that there's no starch in it. There can be, but it cannot be identified with iodine. That's why there's no color is shown there. Okay, then we go with the carrots, cut a piece and add iodine and mix it. Let it sink. Nothing happened. I think it's better with boiling it, but you should try it. If there is a, tell me, right? If there's something like that, tell me. To this, even there's no color change. You can see, right? Only this normal color, no color change. There's no color change yet. Those things they might have not. There's no the presence of starch there, or might we should boil it and do it, and then we can see that. I think that's the theory behind it, right? Because I will tell you straight, and I have did a new thing. I have added iodine to a piece of paper, and they show a color change. They show a positive result of presence of starch. Look at that. That turns to that purplish, like blackish blue one, right? It's turned to like that color. You can see it, right? Or that, or a brownish yellow color. And I like to show another paper that I have put some such purpose a few times ago, and uh, it has now become yellow again, but at the time it wasn't yellow, by the way. It was it, when it was just added, it has turned into that blackish blue color, but I think it slowly turns back into the normal color of iodine. I think there's some theory behind that, and I'm searching for that as well. I think you better should try that as well. So I'm done with this, and you can assume anything with from from this experiment, and I think I have supported you from this video, and I'm I'm going off. All right. Okay, then you better do try these things at home, because I'm just like you. I am not a lab scientist, by the way. So uh, you better try these things at home. And also you better and I will be here with some another scientific stuff and any many stuff with this channel, and you should research for that as well. You can see that as well, the color is gradually changes, right? There's some effect in here, uh, and I will be finding the reason for that as well. And I am going off from now, and thank you for watching.